This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm at Dorval, and I think another rail fan provoked that guy to do the horn. Somebody way down at the end of the platform over there. Hope he didn't get too close to the train or something. This is an eastbound CN train. It had an interesting Dash 8 locomotive there with interesting logo there, the CN 15 and 15-year anniversary of privatization logo. It's pretty rare these days. It's about 1:00 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon, 6th of September 2020. I'm doing a little bike trip, and I ended up here. I was also in the Sheen earlier and caught a CP train doing its switching, but other than that, it's been pretty quiet. Amazing how some of these cars never got repainted. That Southern Pacific script is from the early 90s, or mid 90s maybe, when the brief period when Southern Pacific was taken over by the Rio Grande, and both were subsequently taken over by Union Pacific. Big graffiti. Conrail, there's another ghost railroad taken over by Norfolk Southern and CSX. There, that's the end of the train. All auto racks headed east. And there's the Dorval station. I'll stick around for a little while. Hopefully there'll be a westbound train or something. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.